Good afternoon. Welcome to Midstream Ridge Estate within the Greater Midstream. Today we're standing in front of this beautiful English country style home, offering 610 square meters under roof, situated on a 1,000 square meter stand. As I'm standing in front of this beautiful home, we are experiencing the sound of birds in this beautiful tree in front of the property, and it just brings such a peace and tranquility to this home. From outside, you're going to see that this home offers 4 garages, which we'll be showing you inside. This side we have 3, and then we have the 4th one on that side. So the 4 garages are split into 2 singles and a double, and over here we have our 4th garage. Just want to point out again this phenomenal tree and this beautiful entrance to this home, and the red brick that is such a statement of the English lifestyle. Let's go and have a look inside. As you can see, again, this tree covering this area and this beautiful warm entrance into a very warm home. Come and have a look inside. So as we enter into this home, we walk straight into this beautiful space, just a space where you can come and relax and enjoy your wine selection with the indoor wine cellar. On either side of the front door, we have an entrance to the garage on that side, as well as an entrance to the garage on that side, both offering extra storage, one for your tools with open shelves, and the second garage offers ample packing space. Let me go and show you what is on offer. Okay, so here you have extra storage for bicycles, gym equipment, ample packing space behind cupboards, space for extra fridges or freezers, and walking into the garage. You'll see as you walk into the garage again, you've got ample storage within the garage, and offering 3 garages with the inverter system, which is all on offer. Okay, let's go and have a look inside. Okay, again on the inside you'll notice the solid wooden cupboards, spectacular finishes throughout the home, and we are walking here into a braai entertainment area completely separate from the rest of the home, with your entertainment space, your bar fridges, all flowing out onto a lovely garden and a lovely sparkling blue pool. It offers the indoor fireplace. These beautiful glass stacker doors opens up completely, so you've got that indoor-outdoor feel, and you've got extra storage again with a basin for all your entertainment needs. Everything you need for your entertainment is right here. Okay, this room offers an air conditioner as well. You'll see the flow everywhere, indoor-outdoor flow to the garden, from the house to the garden. We've got a guest bathroom on this side, which is completely separate from the rest of the home, so that is on offer as well. And then let's go and have a look at the living area. As we walk into this magnificent lounge, we have a few features that I would like to point out to you, because the house has extraordinary finishes that would really last you a lifetime. It's not just your little packs that they build. This is solid wooden built-in furniture. All the cabinets in this house is made from solid wooden furniture. You'll notice the air vents that flows through the ceiling, and that is to create indoor-outdoor. In summer you get the hot wind coming in, and in winter you've got that constant airflow of hot and cold throughout the home. It was specifically designed to bring that airflow into the home. And another very special feature that we have on offer, which was designed specifically by the architect, was these little cubbies here that you can open in summer and winter. And on the outside, you have a specific dark wall that the sun warms up, and a vent that you can open or close, which then brings in the warm air from outside throughout winter and summer. So depending on what you want, you would open and close it. But what a lovely feature to have in your home. Okay, the room does have a fireplace on offer as well. You can see this will warm up the entire home, not just a little piece. Lovely feature. It's raised from the floor. You can use this as a bar counter and have some drinks here on offering, or some hot chocolate for the winter months. And from this, it flows right through to the kitchen, which we will have a look at just now. But off the lounge and the dining room, we also have a very large private office. So let me go and show you that. So you'll see these very large sliders. They can open either side, so it depends on which way you want it to open. Again, if you look at it, you will notice again that we have solid wood throughout the home. These are built-in desks, so this would be a feature for you, and built-in shelves. What else? Over and above your storage in here, we have extra storage for all files or boxes or any other storage that you don't need on hand on a daily basis. I again want to point out the bulkheads, the lights, and as well as the airflow vent and another air conditioner on offer. Let's go through and have a look at the kitchen. As we enter the kitchen, you're going to see that the kitchen is again elevated, and we've got the warmth of the tiles, the English style, coming through again. Again, we've got the most beautiful built-in cupboards for all your storage needs, with lights showing off whatever it is that you want to place in those beautiful cabinets. We've got a gas hob, we've got a double oven, we've got storage again, as well as space for your double door fridge. You'll see here we have a double oven, we have a pantry over there, and ample storage. Let's go through to the scullery. Here we have space for 3 appliances and a laundry area on this side where your laundry can be hung, folded, whichever way you want to do it. If you walk outside onto the little garden, you can just see the water tank here, so there's extra water storage on offer that is bumped into the house. Let's go through and have a look at the outdoor garden. Okay, so this truly is an entertainer's delight. You don't just have your entertainment area that is separate, you also have your outdoor entertainment area where you can make your fire in the evenings, where you can braai if you didn't feel like braaiing indoors. You've just got this beautiful outdoor area, completely surrounded by nature and trees, with a pizza oven on offer here. And you can just imagine these cozy evenings enjoying this lovely peaceful garden. If you look at the trees around you, you will notice that there are no neighbors looking onto this property, so it is completely secluded from prying eyes. Again, we have an oversized family pool here with a step all the way around. 4 nice evenings as a family spending it in the pool together. And what a lovely sparkling pool it is. Okay, let's go and have a look inside and go and see what is on offer for the bedrooms. As we go upstairs to go and look at the living room, the bedrooms upstairs, the first thing I want to point out again is the solid wooden steps leading up to the bedrooms. Let's go and have a look upstairs. Okay, as we walk up the stairs, you'll notice we have a separate pajama lounge, as some people call it. Again, look at the beautiful features, the open roof, the revealed trusses, solid wood again. And just a lovely area for the family to get together. We've got 4 bedrooms up here. 3 of them are identical. And another thing I want to point out again is the amount of storage available on offer in this home. It is an astronomical amount of cupboards here for whatever it is that you could possibly want to store away. Okay, as we walk into the 4th bedroom, you'll see it's got a lovely roof trusses, exposed roof trusses again with a solid wooden roof trusses. It's got that indoor-outdoor feel with a secluded little balcony looking out onto the garden. And again, even from up here, there is total and complete privacy with no one looking into any of the bedrooms. The bedrooms up here, the 3 identical bedrooms, all offer a shower basin, toilet and a full bathroom with a walk-in dressing room for all your clothing. You will also notice that all of the bedrooms have air conditioner available for summer or winter heating or cooling. This is our 2nd bedroom. It's just a replica of the first one. This is our 2nd bedroom. You'll see again the solid wooden cupboard doors, and it has mirrors, which is a very clever idea that you can see what you look like every morning. Again, we have the exposed roof trusses of solid wood. Again, the indoor-outdoor flow into the garden. And we have a full bathroom on offer as well. Let's go and have a look at the 3rd bedroom. You'll notice again we have extra storage on this side. And our 3rd bedroom also has a dressing room with mirrors on offer, an air conditioner, exposed roof trusses, and again with a balcony looking out onto the pool. Okay, this leads us to the master suite. Let me take you through. Again, the first thing you'll notice as you come into the master suite is ample storage. There's definitely no reason for anything to lie around in this house. We have our exposed roof trusses again. And then come and have a look at this sweet little French garden. Not a French garden, English garden. A little rooftop English garden on offer. There are stairs, so you can climb in and out. There's also a little gate that you can go and have your coffee there in the mornings if you feel like it. Okay, you'll notice the walk-in cupboard with ample storage. Plenty packing space for him and her. Let's go into the bathroom. Again, you will notice the solid wooden finishes with the glass doors, and we have a full bathroom on offer. Double vanities and ample light. Okay, so just to wrap up this phenomenal property we had a look at today, it's in the market for 8.5 million. It is a 610 square meter home, 1,000 square meter stand. It has 4 bedrooms on offer, all en suite, and it has a guest toilet downstairs. This phenomenal property we said is in Midstream Estate. But if this is not your cup of tea, remember, I have many more listings like this and bigger homes or lower priced homes on offer. And give me a call to make sure that you don't miss out on any of these properties. I am Chanel, I am from Midstream Estate, and give me a call. Let's find you your dream home.